If your legs feel weak, stiff, or tired today, don't skip this. These 4 simple moves can help you walk, stand, and feel stronger again. Hello, my strong seniors. Welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. We are doing a 200-day senior fitness series, and today is day 21. If you are new here, make sure to follow along daily. These same exercises help your legs get stronger day by day. Exercise 1 chair. Sit to stand leg strength. For this exercise, place a strong chair against a wall. Stand in front of it, feet shoulder width apart, and gently touch the seat with the back of your legs. Keep your chest lifted, hold the chair lightly if needed, and prepare to move slowly and safely. Now we begin together. Sit down and stand up with control. I am counting with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep breathing normally, press through your heels, and do not rush. If this is your second, third, or 21st day, stay focused. I am right here guiding you. How are you feeling so far? Tell me in comments below. Exercise 2 seated leg extensions. Sit tall on a sturdy chair with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and both feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your thighs, tighten your stomach muscles gently, and breathe in through your nose. As you breathe out, slowly extend one leg forward until it is straight, then lower it back down with control. We will move together safely. I am counting each repetition clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If your knees feel stiff or tight today, slow the movement and focus on smooth breathing. This exercise helps improve circulation and joint comfort over time. Is your left leg or right leg feeling tighter today? Please share below. Exercise 3, standing side, leg raises, balance support. Stand beside a strong chair and hold the backrest lightly with one hand for balance support. Keep your chest upright, eyes forward, and stomach gently engaged. Shift your weight onto one leg, then slowly lift the other leg out to the side. Move with control and do not swing. We lift and lower together while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Go slowly and breathe normally. Strong hips help walking and prevent falls. Tell me in comments which country are you watching from. If you feel unsteady, reduce the height and keep holding the chair firmly. This movement builds confidence. Strength balance daily for older adults everywhere. Exercise 4 heel raises lower leg. Strength. Stand tall behind your chair and hold the back gently for balance. Place your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward, and keep your knees soft. Lift both heels slowly, feel the calves working, then lower down with control. We raise together and I am counting clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep breathing steady and stay focused. I am right in front of you, guiding every movement like your personal trainer. If this is your second, 10th, or 21st day, keep going. Strong lower legs improve balance, walking, and confidence daily. These simple heel raises help seniors stay active, safe, steady, independent, and confident every day together. If you completed day 21 with me, write "done" in the comments. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so you can all stay strong together. I'll see you tomorrow for day 22.